How to play BeamNG Drive in multiplayer. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide or one of the resources where you can actually download an external part or an additional server for you to be able to play multiplayer on BeamNG Drive. So say for example, this is your main client. You won't be able to access multiplayer without this additional file on BeamNG. So what you want to have to do is to use any web browser available on your end, and then just simply type in beammp.com. Now this is their official website for additional server of multiplayer on BeamNG. What you want to have to do here is just to choose this option here to download client or to download only the server. Just simply run it and install it as usual. And then once you pull up or access settings or on the menu of your BeamNG Drive, you should be able to see multiplayer. And that's how you play BeamNG Drive in multiplayer.